So have you ever made an offer on a property only to lose it because the seller thought another offer was better? Let's talk about that this week on Destry TV. So look, you found your dream home. You made your offer Friday when I told you not to make it last show. You wait through the weekend. Then you find out on Monday, the seller says, hey, they took a better offer. Family's crushed. And you go through that cycle again and again and again. And eventually what happens? You either quit or you decide to just pick a home that just fixes, whatever, who cares? It'll work. We'll move in. We'll be fine. It's terrible. How do you stop that vicious cycle? You either hire an agent that's experienced at negotiating, or you take a few of these tips that I'm going to show you that I've learned in the last 30 years of writing offers for clients. First, find out the seller's motivation. That's the key to the house. Where are they moving? When do they have to be there? Do they already have a house picked out? Are they renting? Are they buying? How much time do they need? Do they need a 30-day, a 60-day escrow? Do they not care? One of the worst ones, are they contingent on buying another home, which is the death knell? The second thing, initial deposit. Make it large. The bigger, the better. Show the seller that you are a serious buyer. Look, if you bail out of a property because of inspection or because of appraisal, you're going to get your deposit back anyway. But if you make it a large enough deposit, that seller knows that if you bail out at the last minute, it's going to be painful for you, and you're going to be their favorite buyer. The third tip I would give you is your contingency periods. So what you may not know as a buyer is that when you buy a home, you have multiple contingency periods for inspection, for appraisal, and for loan. Inspection is the key. Look, when you buy a home, appraisal sometimes is an issue, sometimes it might be low, but usually most brokers and most appraisers and lenders do a pretty good job at justifying the value of a property, as well as a loan contingency. Homes rarely fall out because of a loan due to non-qualification because, well, frankly, most of us have been at this long enough. We know to go in there making sure the buyer's qualified to buy. That makes inspection the key. Consider this option. Don't ask for an inspection contingency or ask for a very short one. I'm not saying you shouldn't inspect the property because you should know what you're buying. But at the same time, is the condition of the property bad enough or good enough that you could risk losing a deposit to make sure you become in first place? So obviously these tactics are not going to always help, but they're certainly not going to hurt. So the next time you need help getting your offer accepted, give me a call because I have some other secrets to share. So on my next episode, we're going to discuss how to price your property so you get the highest price possible in the shortest period of time.